we've had an action-packed couple of days here at Move 2023, seeing startups, scale-ups and corporates come together to deal with some of the mobility challenges that face us in the years ahead. And it's been really exciting to see that collaboration, whether it's new sensor technology or analytics or data platforms or payment gateways, and how collectively they're coming together to deliver new customer solutions. It's also been a lot of fun having a go on some of the latest micromobility platforms or crawling over some of the latest electrified city cars that are entering the fleet. And we've been around talking to particularly some of those companies who are delivering new safety solutions into that micromobility landscape. So come on and join us for the journey and see a little taste of Move 2023.